Alright, so whoever eats the most in 30 seconds gets the towel. 1, 2, 3, go! Swallow.
A tug of war, my head is sore, 'cause I adore and I fear you. Well, I can disagree with myself, 'cause sometimes
I woke up this morning, I think I need a kickstand. The rhythm of the city got a hold on me like quicksand. Got no money in my wallet, so I took it from my best friend. About 1,000,000 miles an hour when I crash into the weekend. Calling the cavalry. I taste the victory. I'm gonna humor you with the act of conversation. I got my sunglasses on from the sleep deprivation. Should we drop you at home? Are you waiting for a last dance? You know you never got the call, 'cause I didn't want the romance.